Okay, what's going on, guys? Here we got the driver's side door. So let's see. I don't really plan on doing much on this one, but let's see what's underneath this crap. I know I've already got one hell of a divot right there. That's deep. So, let's see what we got. I got my grinder all set up with a 120 grit flap disc. I was thinking about using my air compressor and my orbital sander, but I don't really want to. So I'm going to try to keep down the heat on this so it doesn't warp. I mean, it's already tin canning right there. I mean, it's not bad, but it's still tin canning there. And this area right here is freaking filled with high and low spots. So I'm kind of wondering how I'm going to tackle that one, but this is going to be a fun door to do. You know, and it might be one of those things to where we may cut it out. We'll see how bad it is underneath that. But have your protection on. Don't forget to put your hat on. But let's get to it. Let's see what's underneath it. Noise alert, as Musty One would say. Probably should be wearing a mask. Let me see if I can find one. So I don't feel like sucking that into my lungs, so. We found one. There we go. See, more safety equipment. If you can't hear me, I'm sorry. That's not too bad. I don't know why the hell they had to go so far up. Well, let's poke the holes. I guess I really should be counting how many holes they drilled in here just for out of curiosity. I got 33 so far. I might have missed one or counted one twice. If you're paying attention. 40. 50. 60. 70. 80. 90. I got 92. 92 holes. It's interesting. I put in 92 holes. Now I get to fill 92 holes. Wonderful. I will not show that on the video, partially because you guys already know how to fill holes. That's one. Number two, I don't think you want to see me do that 92 times. I know if I was watching a video, I wouldn't want to see somebody doing that 92 times either. That's if we counted correctly. So let's do a variable, 92 plus or minus 5. But what we'll do is we'll do the same thing to this door. We'll fill up the holes, sand, get it down. So there's a nice dent right there. There's no way to get from behind there on this one, but should be able to get behind here and probably, ooh, it's tin canned. See that? That's not good. So got a little bit of tin canning there we got to take care of. Yay! Well, hopefully this isn't tin canned. No. Let's still get behind it. That's good. Alrighty. So get this all sanded up. Get all the sand blasting off of it and then get it all vinegar watered up. Yay. And then got all over the camera. This gets off, get you back. Here's how that door. That's better. Not bad. Vinegar water did its job, you can tell. That's not rust, those are stains. Not bad, but hope you guys have a good one. We'll get you on the next video. In the next video, I should be using the stud welder, because I want to get that. I think that spot on the other door is a little bit too deep, so we'll get that all set, get that all done. Alright, we'll bring you back, and then don't forget we got to do the 2 fenders here. So we'll be doing some bondoing on that door. Obviously bondoing or cutting on this door. I think I will bondo it. I don't think I need to cut that. But that's gonna be fun. So, and for that tin canning, I'm probably gonna have to heat that up and cool it really quick. Get it to stop tin canning, otherwise I probably won't be able to pop that out. But alright guys, take it easy, and we will see you on the next video. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace.